Kids versus father daw. Sabi ni Ading. Eh! Oh, Dada's showing off. Hey, that was close. Ba't wala ka ng jacket? Mama! Whoa! Ading so small. Panakagaw-gaw at nangay.
You're shaking for me. You're shaking that way. You're shaking that way.
You're in the wrong
Tapal. Tapal, Ading.
No, give me one more chance. Oh, goal.
That was close. Too far.
Come on.
Oh, ano na naman? Api si Karipire.
You have to keep it.
Oops! Oh my God! Wow! Wow! It's too far! Ganda yun ah! Nakachamba ka, Ading ah!
Good.
That's bad! Good, bad!
I'm tired.
I know you are. Referee's decision. Ala ka.
Good. Tired.
Show me the 1 kilo, ate. Extra kilo on your leg. Extra kilo. Show me. Where? Where's the extra kilo? Patingin.
Time out.
Extra kilo. No, don't remove.
I'm tired.
Huwag mong tanggalin.
That's enough. You have I gotta put
Extra
the
kilo. Another kilo on ate's leg.
No.
Wait. Magamit ng weight, guys. Ading's turn to put the weight on.
No.
Yeah, just only 10 minutes.
No. It's too long.
10 minutes. Come on, 10 minutes.
Ate been wearing it for half an hour. Wow, that was clever.
What time is it?
I don't know. fine. You'll be fine. Kung sa bahay, okay lang na isuot niya yan. Pero pag tumatakbo, ayaw niya.
Go!
Extra kilo sa paa niya.
Two.
It doesn't count.
Okay.
1, 2, 3 more. Wait. 3. Dali! Let's go!
I want the faster. Fast. Come on, one more fast.
Tawa naman kasi ng tawa. Yeah, just do it. Tawa ng tawa parang gustong mag-asawa.